Welcome to Tricel Honeycomb Corporation. Here's a brief look at how our lightweight Tricel Honeycomb is an ideal choice for reducing the weight of custom cabinetry, especially when versatility is paramount. In this video, we sequence the steps in creating a custom TV lift station. When working with Trycell panels, no special equipment is required. For veneers, any standard veneer glue will work well. For adhering component parts, any moisture-catalyzed polyurethane glue works well. For veneer bonding, we recommend vacuum bagging. Edge blocking can be face glued to a panel or glued in between plywood faces. Use standard spring clamps and masking tape to hold parts together while the adhesive cures. A simple bead of glue along a panel will expand to fill voids while bonding sections or edge banding together, forming a structural bond. When the panels have been bonded together, the resulting structure is quite strong and stiff. Saw kerfing one facing sheet allows panels to be quite flexible for making curved panels. Because tri-panel marine panels are so consistent in thickness, minimum fairing is necessary when bonding two panels together, end to end. Use a combination of standard furniture and strap clamps when bonding component parts together. Small amounts of excess glue can be expected to ooze out. This ensures that an adequate amount of glue has been used to facilitate the best possible bonding. The excess glue and panel facing can be removed with either a razor knife or laminate trimmer. Typically, veneers are applied to panel faces prior to bending into curves. However, the veneer must be flexible enough to move with the panel as it's being curved into place. When attachments are necessary, a hole is drilled through the panel face. Then a bent L-shaped wire is attached to a hand drill, inserted into the hole, spun around, thus causing the hole inside the panel to be enlarged. Then thickened epoxy is injected into the panel, forming a solid block where fasteners can be used, thus eliminating worry about the fasteners pulling out of the plywood facing. European hinges can be used without the need for blocking by using thickened epoxy, as previously mentioned, for the attachment of fastening hardware. The cabinet is now ready to be fitted with a TV lift station. Routing jigs can be used for cutting openings in panels. Here, the well-sized panel cutouts are used to bond edge banding to the inside edge of the cutout on the cabinet top. This photo shows how vertical grade laminate can be used for edge banding, which will later receive wood veneer edge banding. Again, you'll use a moisture-catalyzed polyurethane glue and clamp with masking tape. A solid bullnose edging will now be fitted for bonding to the cabinet top. A dado groove is cut in the top to hide the bonding line and will receive highlighting wood striping. Bullnosing has been shaped to the desired radius with the inset highlighting veneer bonded in place. Another method of bonding glue to panel faces is to hole saw out the facing and honeycomb core, then epoxy solid wood blocking in place. This allows for the use of standard wood screws. The cabinet is now complete with Tricel Honeycomb logo inlaid in the cabinet face veneer. If you have any questions, Trycell provides valuable engineering expertise regarding new product applications and innovative uses for honeycomb core material and panels. Sample kits are available and can be requested at our website. In addition, Tricel Honeycomb Corporation is proud to be certified through the Forest Stewardship Council for responsible sourcing and for our use of recycled content. Please contact us for more information about our environmentally conscious options. Again, if you have any questions or need more information, explore our website or give us a call at 800-352-3300.